Magkauntaan ni karon ha.
Ang totoong kailan hoy.
Mura jud kag buang.
Oh, no.
Mao ni ato maniud to.
No.
Daka na o utap o. Isdang kabon sa kape.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Tamis. Anyway, na maglaba lang ako ng mga bed sheets namin. Naglinis tayo ng maaga para maano natin. Tapos and anyway, si Tami, nagbihis ako guys kasi sobrang aga kasi nagbrush ako ng buhok ni Hubs. Ang sobrang kapal ng buhok niya, grabe. Sobras ako ng brush. Ayaw ni Hubs. Kasi every time na hawakan mo siya, yung buhok talaga lumilipad lang. Hawakan mo lang siya. So, nagbrush ako ng brush kaninang umaga. Ang dami kong buhok. So, yun. Yun yung ginagawa ko. And, ngayon, laba-laba tayo kasi, yun, gusto kong maglinis. Pinalinis ko sa Inday Garutay. Yun. Para mamaya, mag-map na lang po ako. Baba. Anyway, si Mr. nakauwi kagabi. Ano ng oras? 11? I think 11 siya nakauwi, guys. Oil, oh. Ito yung mga oil na kapag magluluto ka, and then, hindi mo na siya magagamit yung oil. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa container na ganito, and then, ilagay sa basura. And then, bawal man, guys, magtapo na ano. So, I think, ilagay ko to sa sa winter ko na ito itapon. So, ilagay ko to sa garahian. Bakit sa winter? Kasi sa winter kasi maging buo yan. So, hindi, kung idudurog nila, hindi masyadong umano ng oil. So, kaya basura ko ito. Maganda na rin, hindi, maganon kasi maglilinis din siya. And then yung dalawang pusa andito. May nag-text pala sa akin. Did you text me, Han? Oh, it's your sister texted me about the movie. Yeah, I replied her this morning. My sister-in-law. I told her, sabi ko sa kanya, panoorin mo yung unhinged na movie and then usap tayo tungkol kung anyari. Sabi ko, galit na galit ako sa babae. Hindi siya makapaniwala na galit ako sa babae. So, kung meron kayong makikita mga movie, hanapin yung unhinged. reaction, guys. And then sabihin nyo sa akin na nakita ninyo ano yung reaction ninyo. Ako nagagalit ako sa babae talaga, as in galit. May something itong ano ko ba? Ah, kaya pala. Hold on, Dems. Namalayan ko lang dahil every time maglakad ako sa carpet, tignan nyo itong mga ito. Kapag uupo lang ako, andito na kayo. Okay, di ba gumawa ako ni Aging Adlaw. Ni Aging Adlaw. Kahapon, the other day, ni Aging Adlaw nga eh. Naggawa ako ng yung... Aduy! Mubira, pamanjad. Aduy!
What's this? Get up, man. Get up, man.
Han? Hala, he knows. He knows. He knows. Han, don't sit on there, honey. The spoiled boy. He said, oh, I like when Dada's home. He always give me something very special. Squeeze it faster.
Get faster. Get all over the place.
He doesn't like when it's too slow. Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Hala, oy, they're both licking it. Roxy loves it, hon.
I know. You're right.
I told you, she likes it too. She said, Dada, where's mine? Did you give them bones?
Yes.
Go lick.
The word, now they want another one.
Call her, honey. Maybe she wants some licking. Go, Dada. Go share. Go share, Dada. Go. Call her.
Honey, she's gonna come over here and keep annoying the house with his food.
Han, give her something. Oy, goodness. Oy.
There's no more.
Maybe it came out in Hub's ear. Oh my God, Hubs. Honey, look at him. He's such a cutie, eh? Yeah. Okay, guys. I am going to fry what I made. Ito. Yung moron. Turon. Na moron naman ang taan. Okay? We're gonna have the turon. The moron. The moron. So your Tammy is going to put the flog. It's a... What is that today, honey? Memorial Day. Tammy will put the flog. You have to get rid of that big flog because it's everywhere. It's scrambled. It's not nice looking. It's like we abandoned it. So where are you going to put it? Look at the bird, honey. It's keep pooping here. Oh, look. It's fun. It's poop everywhere here. Look. So where are you gonna put it?
On each one of these poles.
Okay. So you're gonna have 2 flags, seriously, hon?
Right.
Nahuhulog yung mga bulaklak dahil sa ulan. Ang ganda pa naman, look. Oh. Ang ganda. Ang dami na. Ang dami ito. Oh, Ang dami. Look. Ito din, guys. Look. Ang ganda nito, look. At saka may mga buds pa nakakapalibot, oh. Ha?
And then we come back out. Alright,
Nalagay na siya. Sobrang laki ng flag na yan. Kailangan man yan doon sa flagpole kaso sira. Yeah, you have to fold it. That's a really big. I don't know why you got a big one. So yan, meron na tayong flag dyan. Do you want me to help you?
But this ring doesn't work. See, the ring is supposed to spin.
Yeah.
It doesn't spin.
I'll help you with that. We fold it nice. Ang saya ko na nakahanap tayo ng langka. Pero ginoo ko, guys, kapag marami pala kang makain, di ay ampian mo din. Nagloko.
Stay.
Magkauntaan ni karon ha. Mura jud kag buang.
Oh, no.
Na mura kag buangan. Mura jud. Magkauntaan ni ba? Ngao ni ato paniud to.
No.
Han. Okay? Ito, makani atong kaunon. Han. Han, ayaw ka og sandwich kini atong kanon.
Taga on and no on. Ang tingin on.
Ang dali Chinese. Mura man kag iro nga wala nakakaon taon dong. Naunsa na ang pugka?
Buka nga what?
Unsa imong gibuhat ba? Asa man ka paingon?
Ingon man.
Han, asa ka paingon?
Asa una.
Your ass. Kami pagdali kay maniud to. Ana, noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa man. Kung ganahan ka ani, kaono na to ni paniud to, pero kung di ka ganahan, kaon ka sa imong sandwich.
Don't give my phone?
Daka na o utap o, isdang kabon sa kape.
No, I don't eat the coffee.
No, you know, kailangan mong i-try. Kailangan mong i-try.
Sugar biscuit.
No, iba siya. Iba.
Not a bad.
Iba na.
Man standing on the tail of the beast.
Gusto mo?
Newlyweds symbolize
You like it?
William and Kate.
Yeah, but it's like
The serpent in
It's
human
dessert.
form is tempting the
Snacks.
little girl Eve.
Hindi daw ito. Yung talagang kain-kain.
The general
Snack lang
message
daw
of
ito.
the UN's Phoenix Rising mural is that humanity
Hindi daw ito
is
lunch.
stepping into a new
Kailangan ko lang ito silang ilabas. So, yan. Maganda yung panahon ngayon. Look, oh my God, ang saya niya. Guys, may mga tumubo ng mga ekstrang sanga. Look. May mga tumubong ekstra. Ay, saya ko. Ito naman, hindi talaga siya masaya, pero buti na lang. May ito din nilabas ko to. Yung cucumber ko, guys. Nag-ano siya, hindi siya nasayahan sa ginawa. Nag-froze. Yung dahon niya is nagputi, hindi masaya, pero buhay pa rin siya. So, ang ginawa ko, kahit sobrang liit pa niya, bagong tubo lang, ang ginawa ko is, kinuha ko siya, tinatransfer ko talaga siya doon kung saan ko siya dapat ilagay. Bumili ako ng lupain. Ito yung ano natin, trabaho. Bulak pa more. Kahit nakakalula pa minsan yung mga presyo. Ang nakaka-enjoy. Kaya kinabiran ko to, guys, kasi kita nyo naman itim, di ba? So, kaya may cover siya. Kasi si Tami mahilig sa itim na ano, office kasi niya to, so gusto niya. So, go ahead. So, next time, bilhan natin ito ng cover na para sa kanya. So, ito, ano muna siya, bedsheet muna yung cover ko kasi. And then, yun eh. It's starting already. So, yun. So, dito ako maghiga-higa, guys, kapag pag manonood ng movie sa Amazon Prime kasi madali lang dito eh. May stick yung Amazon stick. Whatever. It's easy, you know what you do? Quicker. Put the first beginning.
And then look up all those. I do that, but it misses a whole shitload of them.
No, I do like this.
I'm an Outlook.
Just click delete.
Yeah, but remember, I'm an Outlook. Well, there's a way to do it, but it doesn't get them all. It misses it.
No, you cannot do delete part.
From Target to inbox.
Why Swift?
Then it'll look for all the Target messages.
Why not delete? Why you have to do
If you hit delete, it only deletes the one that you clicked on.
Yeah, that's why it's fast. You need to do it faster.
No, this is faster. If I hit sweep, it looks at everything. Anything that came from Target, it automatically deletes. I don't have to find them.
So all the Target, because you don't use Target, right?
Right, but so I know anything from Target is just junk mail.
Yeah.
So here I get one from Michaels. So instead of hitting delete, I do sweep
Yeah.
and move it to deleted items. And so delete 60.
How many email you have still in there?
I don't know, 30,000.
Holy shit. Honey, I have 0 now, honey. I always do something. Hi guys! Good evening! Good evening na guys. Kasi what time it is? Almost 9, 10 o'clock na. Nandito lang si Tammy may ginagawa. And then ako din may ginagawa. So yun. And tapos na yung pinapanood niyang John Wick na movie. Sabi pa niya maligo na siya. Sabi ko, huwag ka na maligo. Amoy, yummy ka naman. Na, maligo na siya. Si Nainay, honey.
Hi, honey.
Han? Okay guys, we're gonna end the vlog. At saka wala masyadong ganap and we are going to sleep soon. I'm going to bed. Patulog na ako guys. Buti na lang nakapag-ligo tayo. Good night, Rox! Rox, she wants some treaties. Okay guys, thank you guys. Salamat guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good night.